Okay, we're now here for experiment number 2. So,
we are going to try and make a paper horse walk. So for this experiment, you'll need a pencil, a ruler, a pair of scissors and some paper. And what you need to do, I'll just try and show you, is on the paper, you need to draw out a rectangle that's 15 centimetres long, and then you need to break it down into 5 centimetre chunks. So this is 5 centimetres, 5 centimetres, 5 centimetres. And then height-wise, it's going to be 4.5. So, and then if you draw a line at every 1.5, but do them dotted lines because that's where we're going to cut out. Okay? So, once you've cut that out, you should have something that looks like this. So you've got 4 legs, a body, a tail and a head. If you fold the legs downwards, like that, and then you're going to curl the tail up and that'll help it balance a wee bit better. And then for the head, we just sort of folded it in on itself a little bit and then squeezed it into a bit of a point like that. Okay? So, once you've got your horse, you need to trim the bottom of their feet.
Into like a curve.
Yep, so it's like a little curve with a pointy bit on the inside.
Yeah.
Like that.
So the highest cut out should be the outside, so that it's shorter.
Okay. Yep. So then we're going to try and test to see if the horse will walk. So we have tested it on a couple of surfaces, and we found the best one was foam. Just see if we will walk on the foam, and there you go. Almost. And there he goes. Sometimes you have to give him a wee nudge at the side just to keep going. So if you want to test that out and let us know what the best surfaces are that you've found for your horse to walk on.
As long as it's on an angle, it should go down. And then post us your videos or your photos to see how you get on.
Thank you.